So we're going to test Summon out. You know, I've been searching for Summon videos and they're so old. I think there needs to be a newer version of these videos because there's been a lot of updates. So we're going to see how Summon works in various parking lots. I've tried it already in a busy parking lot, people all around. They just kind of got out of the way of the car and the cars drove around them. Done it in very congested parking lots where a lot of cars were. It went through the parking lot, signaled, made its turns, did it perfectly. Haven't done it in empty parking lots, so let's see how it does in an empty parking lot with light poles. I guess we could let it auto park. Auto park, the P comes up, shift to reverse, and start, and backs into the space. It also does parallel parking. I haven't done that yet. First time I used this, it did it perfect. There was one time where it didn't do so great. It's gonna make a 3-pointer here. Okay. I don't know why it stopped like that. Okay. So we get out of the car and, well, you'll see the rest. I'm gonna go way out and summon it. Empty parking lot. Instead of just coming straight to me, it followed the parking lot traffic rules by going through the parking spaces. I've seen in later videos that it would just come through the empty spaces if there are no cars around. I think it works a little bit better if there's a lot of cars in the parking lot. It's a more defined travel path. But you know, if I wanted it to come to me, then just cut through the entirely empty parking lot and come straight to me, sure. But it follows the traffic rules, traffic laws, and goes, you know, stops for checking traffic, puts its blinkers on, and makes its way to me. I didn't try angled lots. And there's a parking curb in front, So I'm hoping that it doesn't go forward and hit the curb, but I did make sure it saw that it was there. So I'm going to try this one down the line a bit, see if it backs up and then comes out to me. Let's check this one out. Okay, that's pretty cool. You can run from it. If you just hold down "come to me" and run from it, it keeps coming to you. That did exactly what I thought it would do. Backed out of the angled space. Just drove down the road to get me. Alright, thanks for checking that out. This is a soccer field, soccer park, empty lot on a Sunday. We'll check some more out. We'll do some more summon videos in busier lots, maybe the grocery store, or the, you know, like a day drinking bar, or whatever. Thanks for joining me. See you next time. Take care.